In this video, I will share how you can make $100 a day to $500 a day to way up to $1,000 a day. Or even if you are really motivated and you want to put in the action, you can make $5,000 a day, but that's too overwhelming. Let's begin with simple and shortcuts. So this website that I'm going to introduce to you today are going to pay to your PayPal and some other methods by using them in 5 different ways. So one of them is just downloading apps, and another one requires traffic. By the way, this website gets over 550,000 monthly visitors, very steady. And I am going to share one of my premium softwares 100% free that will help you get traffic just like them. We are using the same software and the same methods. It's working like charm and it's making us a fortune. It will help you get traffic to anywhere you want. Along the way, I will share how this website works, how you can register. It's very easy for any beginner and you can go step by step, start making money from today. I will share with you in a demo video shortly. But not only that, as usual, we will not stop there. We will expose how they are making money and how you should inject one specific system into your business to turn your business into a reliable and a sustainable business model. Not only using websites like this and making some money here and there, because end of the day, it is another person's business. While we are making money from them, we are actually using them and somehow we are making them rich. But if we start building our business starting today, down the line, after some time, we will have our own business. So other people will use our business and we will be richer, wealthier. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. We want to make sure that you can actually start making money from our free applications. I mean, premium applications that we are giving away for free. You can get information and education about many different methods of making money online using our other videos. And the links will be in the description. I hope this all makes sense. I will break them down step by step shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on FeaturePoints.com. Get rewarded, earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. Over $5.8 million rewarded since 2012. They have a beautiful message on their landing page. Got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line? Make your time more rewarding with FeaturePoints. We have paid millions of dollars in rewards to our users. Sounds so good. You can make money by winning cash contests. You can complete surveys, earn points by sharing your opinion with us, answer questions and get paid. Earn cashback, shop at our favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback with FeaturePoints. Stores pay us commissions for spending you to them and we share it with you. And I find this one most amazing. Download apps. Try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you will be credited. This is super good because we always try new apps, games, etc. Why not make some money doing the same? Here is something very close to my heart. I love this because this is very similar to affiliate marketing. It's referral. Share FeaturePoints and you will get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points for life. People use them, download apps, do shopping, whatever points they earn, you will get 50% of their points. And the best of the best part, one of our premium softwares that are coming to you 100% free, link in the description, will help you get there very soon, very fast, and help you make a lot of money using this particular system. Redeem your points for awesome rewards on Amazon, Xbox, or PayPal. All you need to do is to use this box, put your email, and click the sign up now green button. button and you will be instantly ready to make money. So this is the welcome page you see upon signing up. Welcome Mosh. You are almost ready to start earning with FeaturePoints. Please read our privacy policy and terms. Most people don't read them. I highly recommend you read every single word. Here is a very important thing to understand. FeaturePoints is actually helping you, the referrers, make money from their referrals. Because if you are sent by a friend and you put your referral code, you will get 50 points. So to earn 50 points, you'll find that referral code and you will put the referral code. And once you do that, your referrer friend will make 50% of every time or every point you earn in future. So similar thing happens to you when you refer someone. FeaturePoints will ask those people to put that code in the box, and when they do, you will earn points. So again, FeaturePoints is actually helping referrers to make money. Now to earn additional 10 points, you just have to fill in the form to tell a little bit about yourself. Choose your first reward, PayPal $5, click continue. In the meantime, I just confirmed my registration using the link in the email, and immediately I see this message, your email was confirmed successfully. So I click continue, the green button. It's a beautiful website, very easy to navigate, even for the brand newbies. On the left hand side, you see earn points. All these ways you can earn points from, and they can be redeemed as PayPal cash or Xbox credit or Amazon credit. There are some of the surveys that you can make money from right away. One thing I always mention that you should always go to the help section. You always go to the FAQ or frequently asked questions sections, where they answer the questions of previous users. Most of your questions are already answered there. So go ahead, look for especially how to make money, how to get the money into your bank account, when to get paid, when will you be paid. Make sure you understand all your questions in mind and are answered before you start. So let us start one survey and show you how to use this website and make money. So we just have to answer a couple of questions here. First question is, what is my birthday? Do you know your birthday? Of course you do. Am I male or female? Well, yes, I know my gender. I'll just put male here. In your case, you put your gender. Just one click. And then next one, where are you? You put your location, your zip code or postal code. Survey complete, boom, you just earned 10 points. It literally took me less than 30 seconds to complete. I just earned 10 points. Now let's go to the offer section, and we have an offer here, earn up to 2,000 points. Someone ate all the surveys. Okay, so there are no surveys left. Go to the win section and you can win 63,000 points. Earn tokens from app surveys and cashback. Earn 1 token for every 20 points you earn. Enter every day for the best chance to win. Here comes the referral section. I already talked about it. This is the referral code and this is the referral link. Now if you put a referral link, then the code is not needed. But if you use a code, then your friends have to put that referral code when FeaturePoints will ask for it in order for you to get rewards for referral. But if you use the referral link, then it's super simple. FeaturePoints will track the clicks on the links and you will get credited every time they earn a point. Finally, how you can spend your points. You can get gift cards, but in my region there is no gift cards available. You can get cash through PayPal. Super awesome. I love it. And the next one is Bitcoin that I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video. Yes, you can earn free Bitcoin from using this website as well. Now let's talk about their business and how you can make a business like this. So number one, look at their traffic analytics. So they have pretty steady traffic and they have a huge spike of traffic recently. That's 564,000 monthly visitors. Super interesting, right? Now let's go down below and you will see that over 76% of their social traffic is coming from YouTube. which means people on YouTube are talking about them, reviewing them, and visitors are visiting to Feature Points. Why is this happening? The referral. People on YouTube are using their referral link or their referral code to refer their visitors to this website and thus making money. So what do you need in order to get traffic like this? You need to make videos for YouTube, because YouTube will drive you traffic to anywhere you want. But the problem is you hate videos. I know that. Everybody hates to be on the camera, but don't worry, link will be in the description. That software will help you make videos without ever being in front of the camera, without writing a script, because the software will write the script for you, and without even speaking or recording your voiceover, because the software will add voice over on your behalf. Go and take it 100% free, use it and make money. If you like our videos, if you like our software, premium softwares that we are giving away free, and if you want us to continue doing that, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button. This way you support our channel, and also this way YouTube will let you know the first when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.